Welcome everybody, we are at the Damais. It's the Gauteng Primary School Series event number 1. We've got over 1,200 kids participating today. We are super excited. We've got a new venue, a new track, it's all laid out and we look forward to the day ahead.
Ons sien uit na hierdie jaar van 2025 vir ons skoolse resies. Ons het baie gegroei van verlede jaar af.
Katsi is really happy to be back this year. First event, great venue.
Amazing to actually put back into the sport, see the outcome here today, 1,200 kids.
Tot en met vandaag het ek voorbereiding gedoen by die skool en 'n bietjie om my blok gery.
For the rest of the year, I'm very excited. I'm going to train very hard.
Die kinders het gesê die roete is lekker kort, hy is lekker vinnig. Hulle is mal oor die rams en die brems wat voor lê.
Vandag se eerste byeenkoms is baie lekker.
For me as a parent, it's exciting to be here to support our kids.
Ecologic has been a proud supporter of this event for more than 3 years now.
Yanda is very proud to be part of this amazing event.
Single Track Cycles is basically here to support schools.
Yeah, the vibe here is fantastic. All of the kids are having a great time.
Kids are having an absolute joy. The schools are having a joy.
A very nice and lovely environment to be around.
And yeah, it was a thrilling experience for all of us.